Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Tech Minute. Let's get started. The Atlanta-based mobile health company Sharecare is heading to NASDAQ. This week, the consumer-facing health and wellness platform released information about its plans to merge with a special purpose acquisition company, Falcon Capital Acquisition Corporation. The combined company will be valued at $3.9 billion, and at the closing of the deal, Sharecare and Falcon have agreed to donate $4 million to both local and global charities. Sharecare also announced that health insurance giant Anthem will make a direct investment in the company. However, the amount was not shared. With this investment, Anthem will expand its strategic partnership with Sharecare as the company continues the development of products and services to enhance the healthcare experience. To learn more about Sharecare, Falcon, and Anthem, as well as Sharecare's road to going public, check out the Hypopotamus article covering this announcement that we've shared below. Next, when the pandemic caused delays across the construction industry, demand for construction schedule analysis software SmartPM boomed. Using real-time data about performance, a company that uses SmartPM can analyze construction project timelines and pinpoint areas of possible inefficiency in order to figure out where the delays exist, plus prevent those problems from happening in the first place. The software helped many construction projects stay on track despite COVID-19 related disruptions, and ultimately allowed the startup to triple its sales revenue, as well as raise a $500,000 seed round in early February of 2021. With this new funding, SmartPM plans to hire 5 additional team members and expand the company's artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities so that it has the ability to recommend solutions to construction managers after analyzing the data. If you want to read more about how SmartPM is transforming the construction industry and how founder Michael Pink started the company, take a look at the Atlanta Inno article we shared below. Finally, emerging social media apps that feature voice conversations are gaining users and drawing multi-million-dollar investments, and Clubhouse, an audio-only social app featuring conversations with big names in Hollywood, politics, and tech, is the latest app creating the biggest stir. Less than a year after its launch, Clubhouse raised $100 million at a $1 billion valuation in January, and the platform is growing rapidly. Monthly downloads of the invite-only app jumped to 2.4 million last month from 2,000 in September. Interest in apps like Clubhouse is also grabbing the attention of social media giants like Facebook and Twitter, which are now in the early stages of experimenting with social audio features. Audio apps became especially appealing amid pandemic lockdowns as people sought social connection, and live conversations seemed to foster more empathy than text chats. However, the biggest problem facing newer social networks, such as Clubhouse, is figuring out their business models in an industry where most digital advertising dollars go to Facebook and Google. Clubhouse shared that it is exploring options for performers to receive tips, as well as offering paid events and memberships in order to generate revenue. You'll definitely want to check out the Wall Street Journal article we've shared below to learn more about Clubhouse and the rise of voice-based social platforms. That's all for this week's edition of the Weekly Tech Minute. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm. We'll see you next week.